Yesterday, you made the call. You booked the appointment. And today, you go. You sit in the waiting room, the door opens, and the doctor says, "So, what seems to be the problem?" All your words disappear. You point at your body and say, "Here, bad. Never again." After today's lesson, you can say what hurts, answer the doctor's questions, and understand exactly what to do, all in English. Hello, and welcome back to Lessons. This is day 12 of our 30-day English practice challenge, and today we go to the doctor, in English. Remember how this works. I say every phrase, and after it there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Saying you're sick. The doctor asks what the problem is. Start general. This phrase opens every visit. I don't feel well. Repeat after me. I don't feel well. Now, be specific. In English, sickness is something you have. I have. Then the problem. Listen. I have a headache. Repeat after me. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. Repeat after me. I have a sore throat. Sore means painful. Sore throat, sore eyes, sore feet after a long day. I have a fever. Repeat after me. I have a fever. I have. One pattern, every sickness. I have a cough. I have a cold. I have a stomachache. Learn the pattern, and you can say them all. Part 2. Where it hurts. Sometimes you don't know the word for the body part. No problem. Point to the place, and say this magic phrase. It hurts here. Repeat after me. It hurts here. 2 words and a finger. The doctor understands immediately. Doctors love this phrase. If you know the body part, put it first. My back hurts. My back hurts. Repeat after me. My back hurts. My head hurts. My stomach hurts. My knee hurts. The body part, plus hurts. Simple. And here is the detail doctors always want. When does it hurt? It hurts when I walk. Repeat after me. It hurts when I walk. It hurts when I eat. It hurts when I breathe. This little sentence tells the doctor more than 100 other words. Part 3. The doctor's questions. Now the doctor asks questions, and you need to understand them. The most common one. How long have you felt this way? How long means, when did this start? You have 2 easy answers. Answer 1. For, plus the time. For 3 days. Repeat after me. For 3 days. Answer 2. Since, plus the day it started. Since Monday. Repeat after me. Since Monday. For 3 days. Since Monday. Same story, 2 ways. Choose the one you like. Both are perfect. The doctor may also ask, are you taking any medicine? Answer honestly, yes or no. And there is one thing you must always say, even if nobody asks. If you have an allergy, tell them, I'm allergic to penicillin. Repeat after me. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to. Say it loudly, say it early. This sentence is not just English practice. This sentence keeps you safe. And when the doctor finishes, ask the smartest question in the room. What should I do? Repeat after me. What should I do? Part 4. Understanding the instructions. The doctor gives you the plan. Listen for these words. They come fast, but you know them now. Take 1 pill twice a day. Repeat after me. Take 1 pill twice a day. Twice a day means 2 times every day, morning and evening. Once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day. That little word decides your whole schedule. Not sure about the schedule? Ask, how often should I take it? Repeat after me. How often should I take it? And before you leave, one practical question. Do I need a prescription? Repeat after me. Do I need a prescription? A prescription is the paper, or the message, from the doctor that lets you buy the medicine at the pharmacy. No prescription, no medicine. Good to know before you stand in line. And the doctor's favorite free medicine, always the same. Get plenty of rest, and drink lots of water. When you hear that, smile. It means you will be fine. Part 5. Real conversation. The full visit, from door to goodbye. First, just listen.
Good morning. So, what seems to be the problem?
I don't feel well. I have a sore throat and my head hurts.
I see. How long have you felt this way?
For 3 days.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, but I'm allergic to penicillin.
Good to know, thank you. It's a small infection. Take 1 pill twice a day after food.
How often? Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Of course. 1 pill 2 times a day, after food.
Do I need a prescription?
Yes, here you go. And get plenty of rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Now it's your turn. I am the doctor. You are the patient. Answer in the pauses. Ready? The door opens. Good afternoon. What seems to be the problem? Tell me what's wrong. Use I have, or it hurts. I see. How long have you felt this way? Answer with for, or since. Are you taking any medicine? Tell me the truth. And if you have an allergy, this is the moment. Okay. Take 1 pill twice a day, and drink lots of water. Any questions? Ask about the prescription. Yes, here it is. You'll feel better in a few days. And thank the doctor. Wonderful. You just survived a doctor's visit. In English. And you did it calmly, clearly, and safely. Here is your challenge for today. In the comments, be the patient. Write 1 sentence with I have, and 1 with it hurts when. They can be real, or funny. I have Monday fever. It hurts when I open my email. I read the comments, and I will reply to you. Day 12, complete. You did a great job today. I hope you never need this lesson. But if you do, you are ready. If this lesson helped you, press the like button, and subscribe for day 13. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.